Today I am going to share vegetable kofta curry recipe. It's so easy and delicious. Vegetable steam preparation. Cauliflower, 4 pieces. Cover and steam 5 to 6 minutes. Steamed. Take out the cauliflower. Shredded cauliflower. Done. Veggie mixture preparation. Shredded cauliflower 1 cup. Boiled potato 1 cup. Shredded carrots ½ cup. Onion ½ cup. Green chickpeas, 1/3 cup. Shredded green bell pepper, 1/4 cup. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Ginger powder, 1 teaspoon. Mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon. 1 egg. Breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup. Salt to taste. Mix well. Spread the oil over the hand. Make a kofta. Done. Fry them golden brown. Done. Oil 1 cup. Onion paste, ½ cup. Sauté 2 minutes. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon each. Stir. Tomato paste, ½ cup. Stir and mix. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, ½ teaspoon. Little bit water. Cover and cook 5 minutes. Yogurt, 1/3 cup. Water as required. Mix. Cover and cook 2 minutes. Add fried veggie kofta. Salt to taste. Stir gently. Cover and cook 6 to 7 minutes. Ghee, 1 tablespoon. Coriander leaf. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.